We have gathered here to inaugurate our new look Banjara Hill showroom after 8 years. Tanish has been in the forefront of improving quality retailing for jewelry industry in India since the last 17 years. And our endeavor has been that our customers who have bestowed confidence in the brand by their patronage deserve a much superior, better experience when they come to shop in Tanish stores every time they come in. And it has been a principle of the company that every 5 years, 4 years, we renovate the store, relocate the store, make it larger, so that more and more customers can experience the entire range of jewelry that Tanish offers for every kind of customers. And the experience of the store, which is free space to sit and lounge, experience the actual product very clearly. Lighting standards are far superior. It is not a cluttered showroom, so people experience a much better quality of retailing, and that has been the endeavor. If in Hyderabad city, for example, in all the 7 stores, in the last 3 to 5 years, we have expanded, relocated, or expanded or renovated. So this is the last store left in that list of 7 Hyderabad stores. Every one has become bigger, better, very frequently. So that's the way we operate our business because we believe customers deserve every bit of convenience in shopping. And along with the experience of shopping, there's also the quality of merchandise, purity standards, transparency of practices like exchange. We are the only ones who physically melt the jewelry in our own store in front of the customer's eyes and give them valuation and give them the money in front. Whereas no other jeweler in India does that. And then there is issues of gold rate transparency. There are issues of purity, actual purity of jewelry. Where after so many years, the purity levels of jewelry in India is still between 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5 carat lower than 22 carat, which is about 6-7% lower value to the customer. But these practices still prevail in the jewelry industry, and Tanish has been trying to educate customers that not only from Tanish, but you must buy genuine products, genuine jewelry for your own, for the customer's convenience. So that's the principle on which Tanish has become the largest jewelry brand in India, with 163 stores in 94 towns and growing ahead of the industry. And that's our endeavor. And especially for this offer, Banjara Road, 4 days I mentioned, there is a special offer of 0.25 grams gold pendant with every purchase of 10 grams of gold jewelry or 8,000 rupees of the diamond jewelry. You get a pendant free for 4 days, starting today. So that is our offer to Hyderabad Banjara Hill customers, and I'm sure they'll enjoy the experience even more from now on. Thank you.